Hello and welcome to another episode of Passing It On. Today I'd like to show you how to make chili and carrot soaked in vinegar. You would have probably seen this in your grand's kitchen. So this is by far one of the most simplest pickles or preserves that you would ever make. Firstly, you will need a glass jar. This jar I have recycled, washed out and wiped down dry. We have a bottle of vinegar. I think we would use about half of that. I've got carrots, green chili. I'm going to remove the stalks and I'm going to show you how to prepare that. And then I have a teaspoon of sugar, which will take out the acidity from this preserve. And we have some fine salt or rough salt. So the prep for the carrots have been done. I've cleaned the skin off and I've cut them into bite-sized pieces. The chili as well, I've taken off the stalks and we're going to cut into it on the top so that the vinegar goes into it when it's soaking. You can do the same with the rest of them. So all we need to do now is add the vinegar into the jar. About half a jar is fine. A little bit more should be okay. Then the salt and sugar. To that I'm going to add the chili. And then the carrots. So you make sure after you have washed the carrots and the chili that you dry it out nicely with the paper towel, or else you're going to end up with a moldy mixture. So the chili and the carrot has to be dry when you're adding it to the vinegar. So we're going to close this, give it a quick shake. And we're going to leave it on our counter and it will be ready to eat in a few days.